So check it out. A friend of mine sold me some Mark C7 parts and a couple motors, and he also threw in a couple of hand cars that were broken. I was able to fix this one and get it running. And I also found a Buzz Lightyear and Woody on eBay, and so I bought them to put on this one. This is one I had to fix the handles. This one had the handle broken off on the side. I just drilled halfway through, and I used a piece of surveyor flag, the metal from that. And I also had to do the whole handle replacement on this side for Buzz. And one other repair I had to make that's kind of common with these is this gear. The little shaft there gets worn and it no longer engages the gear here. So what I do is I put a little JB Weld steel stick in behind the shaft that holds that gear to prop it up so it has to engage the motor, and that's worked out well. I've repaired several of them that way. So I thought we'd take it for a spin and you can check it out. And so here we go to infinity and beyond. This handcar is one that only has one pickup shoe, but it still runs pretty good. And I put new brushes in it. That always helps. Woody's holding on to his hat. He's kind of a sad, strange little man anyway. So we'll pick the camera up. We'll kind of follow him around here a little bit. Okay, runs great. It's another one I can use for any displays that I set up. The kids really love this kind of stuff, so. And it's fun to make. I don't mind repairing them. They can be kind of a hassle because of armature and everything so small, but I can usually get them running pretty good. Okay, we'll set the camera back down, try to do it as smoothly as I can. Alright. Okay, runs great. It's another one that all you have to do is just ream out the little slot for the men, just big enough to fit the little catch thing that Lionel made for them. These were made by Lionel. Lionel has a smaller hand cars, so they kind of look out of place on them, but they look great on these Marx ones. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.